There is a much longer list of chemicals in personal care products than this short list. However, these are some very common ingredients that you will see, as well as chemicals that have had some research done on the effects of their use. Keep in mind that only 10% of the 80,000 chemicals on the market have ever been tested for safety by the FDA or any other agency. Make sure you avoid these ingredients in all of your products, including. There is a much longer list of chemicals in personal care products than this short list. However, these are some very common ingredients that you will see, as well as chemicals that have had some research done on the effects of their use. Keep in mind that only 10% of the 80,000 chemicals on the market have ever been tested for safety by the FDA or any other agency. Make sure you avoid these ingredients in all of your products, including personal care. We will tell you how. The first is phthalates. These chemicals are used to give a more fluid consistency to personal products. They are also known as DEHP, BBP, DBP, DMP, and DEP. These chemicals are EDs, or endocrine disruptors, and have been linked to reproductive disorders such as premature puberty in girls and testicular cancer. Other studies have potentially linked phthalates to spontaneous abortions, birth defects, and altered menstrual cycles in women. This chemical is found in a long list of products, including plastics, shampoos, perfumes, products with fragrance, crib mattresses, and more. The second chemical is parabens. This is added to extend shelf life from a couple of weeks to a couple of years. It can hide under many names, often containing ethyl, methyl, butyl, propyl, and benzonic acid. Parabens break down into formaldehyde, which the FDA says causes cancer. They have been linked to a variety of problems, including endocrine disruption, neurotoxicity concerns, birth and developmental defects, and fertility problems. Parabens have also been found in breast cancer cells, which raises some serious concerns about parabens in products, especially deodorants. This chemical is found in everything from shampoo to makeup and deodorant. In fact, it is so common if your product doesn't specifically state it is paraben-free, it probably isn't. Parabens are banned in Europe for their toxicity. The third is 1,4-dioxane. It occurs when certain chemicals are converted from one type to another. This is a really tricky chemical because it hides under a lot of different names. Some of the most common are polyoxyethylene, PEG, polyethylene, polyethylene glycol, eth, such as sodium laureth sulfate, sodium mareth sulfate, and ammonium laureth sulfate or oxanols. This chemical is readily absorbed into the skin. Even in trace amounts, it is linked to cancer, including breast cancer. This chemical is found in shampoos, even the most popular baby shampoos, bubble baths, children's bath products, and other personal care products. The next is oxybenzene. Oxybenzene disrupts hormones. It penetrates the skin and enters the bloodstream. This chemical is linked to allergies, hormone disruption, and cell damage linked to low birth weight in baby girls whose moms were exposed during pregnancy. It is found in 60% of the 50 beach and sport sunscreens. Next is cocamide DEA, or nitrosamines. These are carcinogenic in more animal species than any other category of chemical carcinogen. They penetrate the skin and accumulate in organs such as the liver and bladder, where it induces chronic toxic effects. Levels have been found to increase over time after the product is opened. They double after 4 months and increase by 4 after 17 months. Nitrosamines are found in mascara, makeup, conditioner, baby shampoo, pain relief cream, and some lotions. They are banned in Europe and Canada. Next is triclosan and its cousin triclocarbon. It is an antibacterial chemical. The American Medical Association discourages the use of this chemical in your home as it may encourage antibiotic-resistant bacteria. It is linked to liver and inhalation toxicity and thyroid disruption. It is found in deodorants, toothpaste, soaps, and more. Other important ingredients to look out for are dimethyl-hydantoin, glycol or methyl, sulfates, dimethicone, detergents, artificial coloring dyes, and fragrances.